Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your brand advocacy with T-Mobile, beginner guide step by step clearly. To reset your brand advocacy with T-Mobile, start by assessing your current situation. Identify the specific areas where you feel your brand advocacy has faltered. Gather feedback from customers and employees to understand their perspectives. Evaluate your messaging to see if it aligns with T-Mobile's core values and mission. Create a clear plan outlining your goals for improving brand advocacy. Research T-Mobile's current marketing strategies to understand what works. Identify the key demographics that are most aligned with your brand. Develop new advocacy initiatives based on your findings. Reach out to current advocates and ask for their input on improvements. Launch a campaign to re-engage your audience, highlighting any new initiatives. Utilize social media to spread awareness about your advocacy efforts. Monitor engagement and feedback throughout the campaign. Adjust your strategy based on the responses you receive. Consider collaborating with influencers who resonate with your target audience. Host events or webinars to directly interact with customers and advocates. Leverage customer success stories to showcase the impact. Continuously assess your brand advocacy efforts and make necessary changes. Stay updated with T-Mobile's communication strategies and market trends. Remember, rebuilding brand advocacy is an ongoing process. Commit to creating a loyal community around your brand in T-Mobile. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.